Addressing the deep longitudinal subsystem and the posterior oblique subsystem. The first selection of exercises is ideal for the posterior oblique subsystem. These muscles are made up of the Latissimus Dorsi, Thoracolumbar Fascia, the Gluteus Maximus, and the hamstrings on opposite sides of the body. The great thing with these exercises, they help to stabilize the SI joint. The SI joint, or sacroiliac joint, responsible for anterior and posterior pelvic tilt. So the greater levels of stability you have the SI joint, it means it eliminates and reduces the risks of either hamstring strains or lower back issues. Our first exercise is this. We're going to get Cam to go down into a single leg squat, arms straight. And as he comes up, he's going to contract the Latissimus Dorsi on this side, as well as the hamstrings and the glutes on the opposite side. So let's do 5 more repetitions. Very slow, very purposeful, and pull. And then we're going to change over side. Well done, work on that stability. And now change over to the other side. And you'll see again, we're going to be contracting Latissimus Dorsi on this side, going across the SI joints to contract the glutes and the hamstrings on the opposite side. So this is one variation using a cable machine. The next variation over here with Julia is we're using a dumbbell. So we're going to get into the conventional single arm dumbbell row position, but the dumbbell is on the right side, and we're going to extend the left leg. So we have hip extension here, and we have the concentric action of the Latissimus Dorsi on the right side. So it's the same principle, just using free weights. And again, we're going to change up and make sure we do both sides. This is for your posterior oblique subsystem.